Danke bafethu, njengoba kuvelile lapha eNaturena ukuthi ama-player amaningi azohamba ku-Kaizer Chiefs. One of the players engathi izohamba ku-Kaizer Chiefs uGeorge Matlou. Lo i-contract yakhe iyaphela end of June, but i-Kaizer Chiefs ayikakasho lutho kuye. Kuma-interviews uMatlou bekasho ukuthi yena ucabanga ukuthi uyayi-deserve i-contract renewal ku-Kaizer Chiefs because seziphruvile. Uyazi ukuthi beka-injured for isikhathi eside but kubuyile wazama ukuziprova. But uMatlou since abuyile azange aba one of the starters ye-team, beyengena nje lapho nalapha. Ngikhumbula aqeda igame yabo, ngikhumbula nje shaya ama-assist awu-2. Other than lokho ayikho into engiyikhumbulayo ngaye, but wathola i-man of the match laphana ku-Nedbank Cup kudlalwa ne-team, I think bokuyi-Free Agents FC lapho nje i-team yale kuma-lower divisions. But as things stand-ke uMatlou ngathi uzoyishiya i-Kaizer Chiefs. Kubonakala ngathi i-contract yakhe ngeke bayi-renew, but sokuvela i-team la ku-PSL ene-interest kuMatlou. Kuvela igama leSikhukhune United, kubonakala ngathi iSikhukhune United izomthatha, but-ke kusalinde ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs mhlampe ngama-last minute ingafuna ukumgcina umfana. But as things stand uMatlou ku-Kaizer Chiefs ngathi uzohamba. Sikhumbule ukuthi uMatlou i-Kaizer Chiefs yamthatha laphana ku-Moroka Swallows, noma uke wadlalela i-Moroka Swallows la waduma khona-ke wazibonakalisa ebholeni lase-South Africa ukuthi is one of the standout midfielder-ke laphana, wa-attracta i-interest with different teams, but i-Kaizer Chiefs yiyo eyamwina lo mdlalo lona. eNaturena ama-injury amlimaza kakhulu umfana, ingakho azithola kule situation le akuyo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Akazange adlale but i-Kaizer Chiefs the coolest thing yakwazi ukumgcina throughout i-injury yakhe, noma sebuya laphana ku-injury yamnika ama-opportunities wokudlala. But-ke akubonakali ngathi i-Kaizer Chiefs izomgcina ngempela njengoba se-attracta i-interest kwamanye ama-team. But ama-insiders wakhe athe kuzobonakala ukuthi izinto zizohamba kanjani, still early days. i-Kaizer Chiefs akakamu-offer lutho, but kuzolindwa-ke until i-contract yakhe iphela laphana end of June, ukuthi izinto by the end of June zizobe sezishintshile noma zizobe zingakashintshi. But as things stand umfana uyi-free agent ukuthi angasana noma yiphi i-team interested kuye, ne-team interested kuye yabo. So let's wait and see sibone ukuthi uMatlou uzodecide noma i-Kaizer Chiefs last minute izomu-offera na i-contract. Yeah.